And I'm the factory manager for COX. Don't reel it. Yeah. Danny Hoskins is my name, and I'm the factory manager for COX Industries. I'm not really a movie man. The first thing that comes to my head is Rocky. You know, I've always remembered the Rocky movies, so yeah, it would be the Rockies, yeah. I've always been a person that could look at something and could build it. So I look at the mowers, I look at the robots and how the robots operate and all the rest of it, and yeah, it's exciting. Basically what I do is I go around and make sure that everyone's got a job to do and that their parts and all that are kept up to them, and make sure that we're producing the numbers that are required for the day. I'm the bad person, yeah, yeah. COX Industries, it's been around for a long time. There's been a lot of people involved in it over the years, in some cases generations. There's been people working here for quite a while, and to get involved with those people and see what the past was to what we're actually doing now and where we're heading in the future. The product is made for Australia. I think that's what sets them apart. We're not sitting back building stuff that's 40-year-old. We're actually trying to achieve to get into the new age market, the younger people. And